Sherif is trending, and they are sorry idea. You know, I mean, you've seen it in the news. He said, yes, the Black Sherif at the Nike was so they but you are caught, and then they no crap. This is the full story. And yes, a Black Sherif for the car, and yes, baby, I would that, and you know what the whole kind of want to image, because we all know that Black Sherif is doing well for himself. And as Jessica wait, dear, 230,000 Ghana cedis, and go back to me then. So this is how the whole thing is. Black Sherif no record label be a Road Boys Association Limited, and our free so a call Empire. But one free so I mean one can still do in 1 minute, you know. And now call Empire, you know. And see a diamond high man, or Road Boys Association, no. A diamond high man, I know the way studio, any office, I mean, the whole much videos, many other, I know. And I saw dying a walker. You know, Nippon and Danny and Diana say, or the sick horse, or shall Black or shall Road Boys Association, so who in the end of the Becker courts, or the courts and so on, or who one was serve letter, you know. Nancy was so sign court back, no was to get permission. Now it's immediate. Asem no eco media houses no with me eka ho asem, and we all know says asem no nya go media houses dey be pie enframa mu say nya ba house so a eden ya black na so bet say eno e dey hu say e kosi. But we should know say Black Sherif is just a second defendant e wa asem ni mu. He's not attached to any legal matter. Enya na asema it is between the woman Dr. Evelyn no and then Road Boys Association. But since he was part of them some time back in asem no, I mean I read the kakra, but he's not the main person at Nako Court. And I hearing and so and omoko asem no omunya ndin wie. Omunya ndi asem ni wie March 20th and on mesan akwatina asem to be.